Margins are tight, sales feel unpredictable, and it feels like you're spending more but getting less. So you'll look at your reports, your trade spend, your promotions, trying to figure out what's wrong. But here's the problem. Your data tells you what happened, not why it happened. It's like finding cash under the couch cushions. You didn't know it was there, but once you did, you realized how much you've been missing. Now imagine this. Instead of finding it once, you find it over and over again because you finally know where to look. That's what's happening in your business right now. You're not overspending. You're leaking money in places you can't see. Promotions that don't create demand, poor timing versus competitors, products that are hard to find, deductions draining your cash. That's why I created the 15-minute Trade Spend Leak Finder. In 15 minutes, you'll identify where you're losing money, spot what your data isn't showing, and know exactly what to fix first. Because if you don't fix this, the leaks don't stop, they compound. Download the free audit at retailsolve.com/guide30. Fix the leaks. Fix what's costing you sales. You don't need to spend less. You need to see more clearly. Join me for the free workshop this Friday to learn how to find hidden cash, extend your runway, and boost sales without spending more. Details at retailsolve.com and in the guide.